Fancy little crate though. For their firewood.
That's an expensive crate. How much did you pay for that one for labor? $25.
We could do that.
And then take
just
that
bolt out.
Yeah. And then we don't have to worry about it putting too much pressure on the jack or anything. Rust on the strap, and then that'll give us. We're gonna have to bring that chain up a little bit.
Oh.
Or it's just gonna flip down. Yeah.
So you might want to pull that up.
And then
Get this side.
yeah. Oh, shit. Okay.
How's it looking sit now?
That's a little straighter, isn't it?
Slow going. I'll just hold it up. Just get a better position to hold it.
Oh, yeah, that's starting.